welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look. This is a fall/Thanksgiving look. A little bit of history here. Last year, this time was the first time I created an actual tutorial. Before that, it was just palette reviews, and I did it with my friend Candace. We did a collab for Thanksgiving. It was a ColourPop collab thing that we did. We did one for Thanksgiving, one for Christmas, and one for New Year's. So that was exciting. I do have that playlist down below if you're interested in watching that. And you can see the growth that I have grown over the past year with my videos. Anyways, if you want to see how I did this look, just stay tuned and we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to start off this look with some primer. I am going to use what I have left of this because I have pretty much used this up. This is Luminesque Hydraville. So let me go ahead and prime up my face. Face is primed. Now I am going to go into an eye primer, and that is this right here. This is Morphe, obviously eye primer, translucent. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal and put my foundation on. I know like the big trend right now is to do your conceal and foundation last, and I did that for a while, but I prefer the way the makeup lays on the face when I do it first rather than last, and I can touch up anything that I need to when I'm finished. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal and put my foundation on. Okay, so for concealer, I am using ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair 15. And for foundation, I am using Wonder Beauty. Okay, so that is all the concealing I am going to do. Now for foundation, I used to just dab it on the sponge and on the other, but I found that when I put it on the back of my hand, I can control it a lot better when I'm putting it on my face. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to put the foundation on the back of my hand and apply. Okay, so I'm going to actually leave just a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand, and like that, and I'm going to use that because I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm going to clean it up with the foundation rather than the concealer, because I found that using the foundation, it doesn't look as heavy and cakey than if you use a concealer to clean it up. So that is what I'm going to use it there for as well. So let's pretend I have eyebrows. Eyebrows. Now we are moving into the eyeshadow, and I am using this color right here. This is Autumn Nights. This is by Yes Glitter. I had got this as an add-on for my Glitz Clan box, if you remember. So I wanted to do a fall/Thanksgiving themed look because Thanksgiving is coming up, so we're not all being social still, so I still want to create a look as if I was. So this is the inside of the palette. I'm going to swatch that on this hand and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a terrible job of swatching it because I used my less dominant hand, but those are the colors. I'm not using all of them because this is not a first impression, even though I haven't used it really, so I guess it kind of is, kind of not. But I am doing fall theme, so let me think about this for a sec. I think I want to go in with this color right here called Bonfire. I'm going to use Pumpkin Patch here. I'm not really feeling that color so much, but Pumpkin Patch is where I'm going now. Okay, so that is better. I'm going to go in with Cinnamon right here. I want to deepen that up, so I'm going to go in with this color Timber. Okay, that looks more like what I want. I want to add Marshmallow here to the inner corner. And then I'm going to use this cider right over the top of the lid. Okay, so now I am going to clean up the sides of my eyes a little bit with that foundation. Okay, so now we're going to go under the eyes, and I'm going to use this green color right here, and that is called Pine. And I'm not going to go all the way under, just part of the way, because if you do all the way, your eyes are going to look really dark and heavy. Okay, that looks like a mess right now, but it's okay. It'll look good when I'm done, I promise. I'm going to go back in with Marshmallow under the eyes. And I'm going to do the part that I didn't cover with shadow and then kind of blend it into the area with shadow. Okay, so this would not be a look for a holiday for me without glitter, so I am going into this palette, which I also got in the Glitz Glam box add-on, and I am going to use this gold color on the lid, and I might use some of this too on the outer part. I don't know. Let's play with the gold first. I was gonna put a little of the, I think I did put a little, do you see a little sparkle under the eye? But I don't think I'm gonna do any more of that. I think I have plenty of glitter. Yep. So now we're gonna move on into eyeliner, and I do have one somewhere in my pile of makeup here. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I've got Tardiest. This has the one that I like to use for the bottom one right here, and then the top one right here. So I'm going to use this for both, and I'm going to start with this one for the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe the foundation off my hand at this point, and the eyeshadow because I don't need that. Okay, so for mascara, I have this Ulta Curl, and this is by McCoy Beauty, and I'm gonna use that on my eyes. Okay, that was it on that, and I am going to go over just the outer parts of the top and the bottom with my Marc Jacobs just to make it look a little bit more fuller. Okay, so now we are going in with some lashes. This is Yes Glitter Cosmetics Flirty. So we got lashes and light contouring time. Where did I put that? So light contouring will be GG Gorgeous, and I know some of you think I don't contour at all. I just do it lightly because obviously I don't really want to look dirty in sunlight. So anyways, if you look at it closely, you can tell that I actually use it because you can see the dents there. But anyways, I am going to do that. Okay, that's all I want. And I am going to use some highlight. I'm going to use Oprah, these two, Rodeo Drive and Star Island. Okay, for blush, I am going to use ColourPop Frisky Business. That is a lot of something, but it's okay because I always go back over with the setting powder on top because I like the airbrush look it gives. And I am using Seat London for, was it Everyday Vacay with the coconut in it? That's what I'm using. Alright, I am going to use some setting spray. I'm actually going to use two. I have got my ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid and my Tarte Reinforced to the Sea, so I'm going to use them both. Okay, for lips, I've got the You Can Be lipstick in Smoked Salmon, and that is what I'm using. This was also another item from my Glitz Glam. Alright, so that is it of this look. This is definitely something I would use for Thanksgiving or fall, maybe even Christmas even, with that green underneath. But anyways, this is it of my look. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think of this look. Is this something you might be doing if you're social? Maybe you just want to do it because you like glitter like me. I don't know. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.